Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Peregrine Falcon in Heartopia. So it's located on in the Stone Cliff area and in the onsen area as well. But I found mine on the stone cliffs, as you can see. Weather needs to be rainbow or rainy, and it spawns all day. You'll need to be level 8 of the bird watching hobby, and I found mine on top of the stone cliffs, as you can see. It was a little bit hard for me to find it, but it is a common bird, so I don't know what went wrong. But I had to go back and forth between the areas to finally find the falcon. But that is where it is located at. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!